All the lap of the square, triangle, for the round.
Abot mo?
For the
Ano yan? Naka-ano? Inside the square, draw a rectangle at the bottom. In the middle of the door, doorknob. Above the door, draw a tall square window.
Ano? Anong gagawin daw? Wait lang.